Hello student, welcome to our YouTube channel Maths Tutorial by Divesh Sir. Today's chapter is matrix and topics are what is matrix, types of matrix, properties of matrix, and other topics are there also. But today we'll discuss about only what is matrix and types of matrix. So first, what is matrix? Any rectangular arrangement or array in closed bracket is called matrix. It is used to solve the simultaneous and linear equation. For example, if you asked about weight in kg is equal to 55 kg, height in centimeter is equal to 135 centimeter, age in year is equal to 16 year of somebody, then we can organize them in a row and column like 55, 135, 16 or 55, 135, 16. Look at this. It has one row and three column. That's why 1 cross 3. It has 3 row and 1 column, that's why 3 cross 1. Similarly, we can take the data of 3 person, Ram, Gopal, Sham, that is 55, 135, 16, 65, 140, 17, 60, 142, 18. It means Ram, Gopal and Sham has weight 55, 65, 60, height 135, 140, 142, year, age 16, 17, 18. It has 3 row and 3 column, so order is 3 cross 3. Order is always written in row cross column. In general, m cross n, a row cross column. In general, it is written as a11, a12, 13, 1n, a21, a22, 23, 2n up to a m1, m2, m3 dot mn. It means it has m row and n column, that's why m cross n order. In short, a is equal to aij m cross n. I means row, j means column. First one is I, second one is j, remember that. Next, types of matrix. Row matrix, there are different types of matrix. That is, first is row matrix. It is 1 cross n order, means it has 1 row and n column, can be written as a11, 12, 13 up to 1n. Example, a is equal to 3, 5, minus 1, 1 row, 3 column. Next, column matrix, it is m cross 1 order, means m row, 1 column. It can be written as a11, a21 up to a m1, m row, 1 column. Next, square matrix, it is n cross n order. Here number of rows and column are same. In general, a11, a12, 13, 1n, a21, a22, a23, a2n, up to an1, an2, an3, ann. See here, there are n rows and n column, so it is called square matrix. Next, diagonal matrix, it can be any order, a11, 0, 0, 0, 0, a0, a22, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, a33, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, ann. It means all the principal diagonal has value, but except principal diagonal all the values are 0. So can be written as diag a11, a22 up to ann. For example, diag 2, 3, 4. It means we can write 2, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 4. Topic is properties of matrix. First, commutative law. If A and B both have same order like m cross n, then addition is possible and A plus B is equal to B plus A. Next, associative. Again, if A, B and C all have same order, then A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Means we have to add first B plus C, then with A and here we have to add first a plus b, then c. Answer will be same. Identity of addition. If a is equal to aij m cross n and o is equal to 0ij m cross n, then a plus o is equal to o plus a is equal to a. Next, existence of additive inverse. If a is equal to aij m cross n, if a is equal to aij m cross n, then there exists b is equal to minus aij m cross n, so that a plus b is equal to o m cross n, means zero matrix. Then b is called additive inverse of a. Next, difference of matrix. If a is equal to aij m cross n and b is equal to bij m cross n, both have same order, then subtraction is possible. For example, a is equal to 2 3 1 4 5 6, b is equal to 3 4 minus 1 0 2 3. You can see it has 2 row and 3 columns, so it can be written as 2 cross 3. It also has 2 row and 3 column, so can be written as 2 cross 3. Both have same order, so subtraction is possible. So a minus b is equal to this minus this, 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 1 minus minus 1, 2, 4 minus 0 4, 5 minus 2 3, 6 minus 3 3. Next, product of matrix with scalar. If a is equal to aij m cross n and k is the real number, then a cross k is equal to k aij m cross n. Means simply we have to multiply a real number with a matrix. For example, a is equal to 2 3 1, 3 minus 2 0, then 3a is equal to 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 minus 2 minus 6, 3 0 0. Next, properties. If a is equal to aij m cross n and b is equal to bij m cross n, then k times of a plus b is equal to k times a plus k times b. K plus L times of a is equal to k times a plus L times b. KL times of a is equal to k L times of a. 1 into a is equal to a, minus 1 into a is equal to minus a. Let's do some example. If a is equal to 4 2 1 0 minus 3 1 minus 5 7, 2 minus 9 minus 8 5, and b is equal to 1 2 minus 3 5, 4 0 1 minus 6 minus 2 3 6 minus 7, then obtain 3a minus 2b. So clearly 3a minus 2b means 3 times of a minus 2 times of b, means 3 times of a means you have to multiply 3 with a and 2 with b. So 3 with a means 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 0 0, 3 minus 3 minus 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 minus 5 minus 15, 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 3 minus 9 minus 27, 3 minus 8 minus 24, 3 5s are 15. Next, minus 2b. 2b means 2 multiplied with b. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 minus 3 minus 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 6 12, 2 minus 2 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 minus 7 minus 14. Now subtract both of them. So 12 minus 2 10, 6 minus 4 2, 3 minus minus 6 that is 9, 0 minus 0 minus 10 minus 10, minus 9 minus 8 minus 17, 3 minus 0 3, minus 15 minus 2 minus 17, 21 minus plus 12 that is 33, 6 minus minus 4 10, minus 27 minus 6 that is minus 33, minus 24 minus 12 minus 36, 15 minus 14 that is 29. This is our final answer. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If there is any problem, then comment me in comment section. Thanks.